MHC Truck Leasing is part of the Murphy-Hoffman Company. We're the largest Kenworth dealer in the U.S. So MHC has made a substantial investment into the transit. We noticed that in our major markets, being Dallas, Memphis, Colorado, that there was a large need for them. An ideal business for the transit fleets are 3PLs, final mile customers, anybody that kind of runs a final delivery to home or businesses. Currently in my market, I'm renting to FedEx, UPS. The top specs of our transits or the driver comfort, the keypad on the door, it's allowing themselves to get back in case they lock themselves out, and just the overall aesthetics of the vehicle. Customers do business with MHC Truck Leasing over our competitors because we're privately held. Family owned like our core customers. We're able to make decisions like they need to support their business.